Welcome to today's session. My name is Wayne Dixon, Business Development Manager with Transportation Federal Credit Union. And today we're going to discuss 7 tips of paying off debt. Over the next several minutes, we're going to provide you with proven effective steps to help you reduce and eliminate debt and help you move forward financially.
Let's talk about financial resolutions. About 60% of Americans make New Year's resolutions, and financial goals are on the top of every list. Getting out of debt, saving more, saving for retirement or college. Yet only about 8% keep their resolutions. Good intentions are not enough. Success requires structure and a clear plan. Tip number 1, get organized, create a plan. Answer 3 questions. First, how much do you owe? Second, who do you owe? Third, where does each debt stand? Build a worksheet listing the creditor, the type of debt, the balance, APR, and the status. Include IRS or state tax debt, medical collections, court fines or errors, and utilities and cellular collections. Tip number 2, make a budget. A budget reveals how much money is left over each month after bills and necessities. Most experts recommend saving between 5 to 10% of your income, with a portion built in an emergency fund. This is your first line of defense against new debt. Tip number 3, slash spending. Trim luxuries you can live without. For example, cook at home, take your lunch to work, cancel services you can handle yourself, and review streaming and cable services. Avoid the yo-yo financial diet. Sustainable change beats short-term sacrifice. Tip number 4, explore solutions. Negotiate a lower APR with creditors, refinance loans, or consolidate multiple debts into a single lower rate payment. Payment plans work for credit cards, student loans, debt payments, and collection items such as IRS installment agreements and debt management programs. For accounts already in collections, settlement is usually the fastest and least expensive resolution. Tip number 5, develop your repayment strategy. Decide which debts to address first. For current accounts, prioritize the highest APR for collections. Prioritize by the statute of limitations. Not every debt must be paid now. Federal student loans may qualify for deferment or forbearance. Lenders may offer hardship programs, and the IRS may grant currently not collectible status. Autopay prevents missed dates, but monitor accounts to avoid overdraft fees. Tip number 6, say no to new debt. Avoid new charges and new loans unless they directly support your repayment plan. Appropriate exceptions include balance transfers, consolidation loans, and refinancing for student loans, auto loans, or your mortgage. Delay major purchases. Pursue scholarships and grants before borrowing for school. Postpone large vacations and maintain what you already own. Tip number 7, use extra cash wisely. Apply gift cards towards debt. Direct your tax refund to pay off your highest balance, and consider a second job or freelance work in your off hours dedicated entirely to debt reduction. Small windfalls have an outsized impact when applied consistently.
For more than 85 years, Transportation Federal Credit Union has helped our members achieve their financial goals. We currently have well over 15,000 members nationwide. So whether you're a passenger or an employee of any mode of transportation, we're here to help. Now, to open an account, you can simply scan our QR code or visit us at transfcu.org or call us at 202-366-9400. Thank you, stay safe, and we will see you next time.